Hey, what up, cuz? Today, I'm gonna let you know 3 very useful hood phrases in Japanese. And these are actually very useful outside of the hood as well. So if you ain't from the hood, I got you too. Let's get into it. So number 1, what's wrong with you? You can say, お前どうした? But you gotta promise me one thing though. You can't use this to strangers. All these 3 phrases are for friends, you know, for interacting with your friends, bro. Not with strangers. So be careful. Just with your friends. お前どうした? Let's break this down. お前 means you. In a very, very casual Japanese. Very casual. And then どうした means what's wrong? What's the matter? And instead of adding we actually show it with attitude. You know what I'm saying? We change our attitude. We change our tone to sound a little more aggressive. But if you want to say a little more kindly, like just asking your friends, like, what's wrong? You know, like, what's the matter? What's wrong? What happened? Did this something happen to you? You know what I'm saying? This type of thing. You could just say, you can just remove omae and the motherfucking attitude. And you can just say, どうした? どうした? So this sounds very, very, very kind. So let's say this wrong with you. お前どうした? 3 times with me. A little shadowing. You know what I'm saying? お前どうした? お前どうした? Last one, I'll go a little faster. お前どうした? So the second phrase. You so annoying, bro. お前めんどくせえな. So let's break it down. Again, お前 means you. めんどくせえ. That is a casual version of めんどくさい. Maybe a lot of y'all already know this. But めんどくさい means like bothersome or annoying. The casual version of that is gonna be めんどくせえ. And na. Let's talk about this na. Na is a casual way of adding an emotional tone. And in this case, in this specific case, frustration. So let's say this 3 times with me. お前めんどくせえな. お前めんどくせえな. The last one, I'll go faster. お前めんどくせえな. So the third one, the last one, it is what it is, bro. しょうがねえよ. This ain't no rude thing. This ain't no rude phrase. You can use this phrase to show your friend empathy. しょうがねえ is a casual version of しょうがない. しょうがない just means like it can't be helped or like it is what it is. That's life. Yo, in this case, it's kind of like na, you know, with a めんどくせえな. It's adding an emotional tone. And in this case, it's not in a tone of reassurance and comfort. So you want to say this phrase when your friends are in some trouble, when your friends looking like seem sad, you want to let him know that you're on his side. You know what I'm saying? So let's practice this 3 times. しょうがねえよ. 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 Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video. These were the 3 phrases that I wanted to let you know today. Please subscribe, like, comment, and then let me know what your friends say. Let me know what your Japanese friends say after you say this to them. Let me know their reaction. Well then, see you in the next video. Bye bye.